Ruby Afia.
Hi guys.
Let's bring Devino first. Devino has influence. What's the biggest impact social media has on young people in your opinion?
In my opinion, like the most like impact from social media to young people is very big. Like a lot of people in the past, they are doing their work, like their entertainment in some real activity, or like they do some sports, or they work in the office. But because of social media and internet, people these days can literally work anywhere, and because of social media we can communicate easily with other people from different world, different country, and I think it's a very good thing. So, it really helps us to become connected with the other world.
Okay. How do you handle negative feedback online?
Negative feedback. Me myself, when I get some negative comments, like because I'm an influencer, of course, and I post a lot about photography and videography. Sometimes they don't like what I post, and they just comment like, "Yo, this piece are shit." Nah, like I'm just like delete the comment, and I don't really mind it, so I just block them, so they're not gonna comment again in my post. But there is several people who like they are not strong enough to not mind the hate comment, and maybe they're gonna depress, or like even some of them like kill themselves. I think it's on the on the people itself. Like you need to be more educated about social media. Like you don't have to do hate comments or anything like that on purpose. Yeah, something like that.
Okay. What's your top tip for creating enjoying content?
Yes.
What's
Sorry?
your What's your top tip for creating engaging content?
Oh, to create an engaging content. At first, your content must be. Your content must have like a good quality of it. So the people will be attracted, and they will see your content, or even they will like it, or they comment some positive things, or like they appreciate your content. And if you want your content to be more engaging and have a lot of views, you need to be consistent, posting it daily, and like every day you post something new. And the most important part is you have to be, you have to keep the quality as good as the previous content, so they don't get disappointed. Like yesterday content was fire, but the next day your content such a trash. Yeah, don't do something like that.
Okay. Thanks, Devino, as influencer. And then Ruby.
Yes.
How does social media affect your studies?
Honestly, I use my social medias for anything else. Even like I search for like models, fashion, or like my thing. It came from my social medias. I especially search from Google or Safari. And studies, I always look up my assignments on like Google and Safari. But sometimes I get like too distracted because I feel like I got like my scroll time for myself than my studies. I have like 2 hours scrolling, and I have 5 minutes for studies. Even my screen time is like limit and usage my social medias for my health and anything else.
Okay. What's the biggest benefit and drawback of social media for you? Okay, sorry. Have you ever experienced cyberbullying? How did you deal with it?
Okay, gladly no, and I won't, and I never want to experience that thing because I feel like it's not my thing, and I will try myself to do the best. And what should I deal, and what will I deal with cyberbullying? So basically, I mean like when I was in second grade, I saw my friends got cyberbullying. It's like verbal bullying, and as a child, I can like do anything else, and even my friends can do anything the same. So we just like quiet and don't say anything. But as a victim, I think like you have to tell your parents first and tell your teacher that you got cyberbullying from someone. And of course, it will affect you, but yeah, it will make your day and make yourself better.
How do you balance social media with school and hobbies?
So I actually don't have any hobbies. So how do I explain that? I think I always like create the schedule. This is like my social medias and my hobbies and my studies. So I will not like batch them over in one thing. Like they will like I will scrolling and I will studies. No, I will like studies and I will scrolling and then I will do things I like. But the first thing first is I will do my assignments. No, I'll like it or not like it, I will. Because yeah, I will not have the time if I do anything else, not the studying. If I do the study first, I will have so much time for doing anything. It's like I will have time for gaming, I will have time to listen to Spotify or something else. And then talking about hobbies, I don't have specific hobbies, but my hobbies is have like the application in social media. So basically, my hobby is reading manga, and I reading manga online. I actually read mangas in Manga Suica or like something in website, and I will search for it. But lately, I was so busy, so I was like studying all day. I don't have any time for my hobbies or scrolling. So yeah, I will like.
Thanks, Rupi. And Alif, as public people, how has social media changed your communication?
For me, social media is made communication is instant and very highly visual. It's great for long distance family, but I miss deep of actual face-to-face conversation. And that's it.
What's the biggest benefit and drawback of social media for you?
The first is the keeping up with my old friends and my family. And the biggest drawback, I constantly check my phone. That's so bad for me.
Like you can't get away from your phone.
Yeah, that's.
How do you protect your privacy on social media?
I always my profile is private and I only share my life action to my friends, and I follow my friends and yeah.
So guys, that's all we get from our guest today. Thank you for watching and remember to use social media.
Yeah, subscribe to the podcast.